It's just our downstairs there.
They will bring it up for you. And you give them 1,000. Yes.
It's not them DJs. I'm feeling like I've been chosen. Body is golden, lifestyle going. She's been
Is it like? Girl, that was crazy, bro. Biggest inspiration.
Day 2. Osun State.
Man, but I can't know shit.
Bang house, right? Everybody bang house, right?
I just strapped now just in case you get me. How you going? They ain't gonna pay shit. I wouldn't pay the Chris. Episode 2, we're here now. Finally got to the place. About to go up here. We just log. The gang's here. Everybody dressed properly for the occasion. Adidas, New Balance. Yo, gang shit. Getting crazy right here. OJ. OJ, this is our tall guy right there, OJ Simpson building right now. Give me some Chinese film. Yo, fam. Crazy, man. We're in here. We started, you know. Never stop, never settle, you know. Crazy. Ah, shit. Crazy, Woo. Woo!
I'm in the banana man for house staff. That fat thing is enough. Enough. I'll go to 7 now. No. I'm not enough. I'm coming, wait.
Beach ass motherfucker.
Yo.
Yeah, I was the hero though. As in, bro, it felt like I was going to die at some point.
I wanted to go up, like I wanted to go to the top end, I swear. No, we almost there.
Come on, bro, how was it?
Crazy.
How was it? Evidence there, crazy shit, man, bro.
That was good, G.
How was it, man, bro?
Fucking intense, man.
Bro,
Crazy experience.
this is not child's play, man, bro.
No.
If you never chop, no try am.
Tarzan shit. Tarzan try
We deserve like welcome party. It don't be small thing we go to.
tell them say you want to check out some.
Olúyọ̀lé